Hello, this is Blake Tucker, Dr. Inkwell from Booze Freaks. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. Today we're making variations on an old-fashioned. I'm calling this one the Posada de Moda. So, an old-fashioned with Anejo Tequila, a little grapefruit bitters, sage bitters, and simple syrup. If you don't have these bitters at home, I'll talk a little bit at the end about what else you can do. So, a regular old-fashioned, a little bit of ice, a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes each of grapefruit bitters. This is Fee Brothers grapefruit bitters, non-alcoholic, and 2 dashes of sage bitters. This is Dram out of Colorado. They make a Wild Mountain sage bitters. De La Rosa Company in Texas also makes some great desert bitters. You want something dry, a little deserty to evoke the desert that the agave plant grows in. And 2 ounces of Anejo Tequila. In this case, I'm using Tres Generaciones. And again, I like little spoons. Note that when you stir the glass, if you're grabbing the glass, you're warming it up with your hand. So best to stir low. You can hold the top as well. Garnish, as usual, is orange. A little bit of spray of orange over the top. Voila, Posada de Moda. It's really lovely with those two things. If you don't have grapefruit bitters or sage bitters, one thing you can do is use a sage leaf. With the sage leaf, you really want the scent of that sage on the drink. So, what you need to do is get a nice big sage leaf and slap it. When you slap, you break the tiny bonds in the leaf and you release the oil and the scent will really come out. So, wow, so much stronger. And then you can use that as a garnish. If you don't have grapefruit bitters, you can also do a similar thing, a little grapefruit garnish here, like this. Voila. So, a little grapefruit, a little sage, also delightful. If you do substitute grapefruit as your garnish or a sage leaf, make sure to use Angostura bitters and orange bitters as we did before. If you enjoyed this video, please follow me on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll be posting videos in both places. And if you don't know, I am also beverage director for Taste Catering, who right now during the crisis has created Hospitality Helps in partnership with Meals on Wheels in San Francisco and Peninsula Food Runners. We're delivering meals to those people in need. That's hospitality and service workers. We deliver to Zuckerberg General Hospital to support the staff there as well, so please check that out and donate.